So Krishna threw a Jimri Brandana, which means yawning, a yawning weapon. So he threw this weapon at Lord Shiva, and Lord Shiva was sitting on the back of Nandi. In English it's called yawning. Yawning means you're falling asleep. Like when Krishna was not fighting anyone, and the whole army of Banasura was being completely emaciated and defeated by Krishna's army, then Banasura left his fighting. He was fighting with Satyaki. He was fighting with Satyaki, and he ran across the battlefield to fight with Krishna. And then Krishna defeated him. He disappeared from the battlefield. And then Lord Shiva woke up again, and Lord Shiva sent his ultimate weapon, Shiva Dwara. Shiva Dwara is like the Brahmastra of Lord Shiva. Shiva Dwara was a personified heat weapon, intense heat, just like an atomic bomb. Atomic bomb releases incredible heat energy. So Lord Shiva released his Shiva Dwara. I think Dwara means heat, the word Dwara. Shiva Dwara, and it was personified as a huge demon, grotesque, ugly demon, with 3 legs and 3 heads, and 3 eyes in each head, and some kind of monster. And he was racing, a huge towering form, racing across the battlefield, burning up everything in sight, burning up all the trees and land and animals and everything in its pathway, and running towards Krishna, and to annihilate Krishna. So then Krishna retaliated with his Vishnu Dwara. The Vishnu Dwara is also a heat weapon, but it's so hot that it appears cooling. It appears cooling. Just like we have in this world the phenomenon of dry ice. There's something called dry ice that they use in theater and other places, which is it's a super cold type of gas or ice. It's 212 degrees centigrade, minus 200 degrees centigrade. Very, very cold, and it gives off a vapor, clouds of smoke, which they use for stage and drama. Dry ice. So it feels cooling, but it's actually very hot. It's a very, very hot thing. You'll burn if you touch it. So Krishna released his Vishnu Dwara, and the Vishnu Dwara fought with the Shiva Dwara and defeated it. And the Shiva Dwara started offering so many prayers. Please forgive me. I surrender to you, Krishna. Don't destroy me. So this is a pastime where Shiva and Krishna were fighting in the Bhagavad Puran.